Welcome, fellow art friends, to an artistic journey that will ignite your passion and creativity for autumn painting subjects. Are you ready to dive headfirst into the enchanting world of autumn artistry? Do you want to practice watercolor painting with autumn nature treasures? Well, here it is, my free 7 days autumn painting practice ebook. In this ebook, you discover everything you need to know to paint your way through magical moments of autumn. Inside, you'll find the step-by-step tutorials that will take you from simple project to more advanced autumn painting projects. You can do this as a challenge in 7 days or paint your way through all autumn season. Learn the secrets of mixing the perfect autumn shades, capturing the elegance of falling leaves, painting cozy pumpkins, and so much more. And don't miss our final project where we'll capture the fragile beauty of the cosmos flower, beautiful white flower capturing its essence on a white paper surface without any white paint. Each day, you'll unlock new techniques and gain the confidence to paint your autumn visions with style and flair. And the best part, it's absolutely free. That's right, you heard it correctly. My 7-day autumn painting practice ebook is your ticket to an autumn art adventure, and it won't cost you a dime. So, are you ready to embrace your inner artist and beauty of autumn subjects with your very own creations? Let's paint this autumn with a burst of creativity. Get your 7-day autumn painting practice now. Join me and let's make this autumn the most colorful and creative one yet.